My name is LaQuanda McCullum. I'm a 31-year-old account specialist in the city of brotherly love. I'm passionate about making people smile, acting, and inspiring youth. What do you want to be?
I want to be a dentist.
A high school art teacher.
A cosmetologist. A lawyer.
A police officer.
Pediatrician. Entrepreneur.
What if you don't want to be the next American Idol or the next top model? What if you want to be a doctor, a lawyer, a politician, a cosmetologist, a police officer, or a teacher? I mean, I for one, I've seen so many shows out there that offer these extreme amounts of money to people that can sing or to people that can dance. And you know, I'm not hating, but the truth of the matter is that there are tons of people out there that just want to pay their way through college. They just want to start their own small business. I mean, I know I've sat in front of the TV and I watched that show, and when they won that money, I said, man, if I could just get a fraction, just a little bit, I could begin my road to success. So, to Miss Oprah and your wonderful production staff, I just want to say thank you for allowing me the opportunity to present my idea. My name's LaQuanda McCullum, and this is The Road to Success. So, anyway, we're here with Bianca Clark. How old are you, Bianca?
I'm 24.
Really?
Yes.
You look good.
Thank
I
you.
like those earrings, too.
Thank you.
Do you plan to use your degree in the future?
Yes, definitely. I learned a lot about entrepreneurship, human resources, management.
So you mean to tell me you're up for physical, mental, any type of challenge?
Yes, physically, academically, anything.
So you mean to tell me that your business means that much to you?
Yes, it means everything to me.
Okay. I hope you're ready. We find the most extraordinary young people from the ages of 5 to 35 who are on the road to success and are traveling to college or entrepreneurship. We interview them, provide them with a platform to declare their dreams, put them through challenges, then offer them the opportunity to win full scholarships to college, mentorship from people who are successful, or even money to start their own business. Bianca Clark! This show is exciting. I mean, it's filled with laughter, with music, with fun, and with healthy competition. Parents are gonna watch this show with their children because they want them to be on this show. Young people all over are gonna watch this show because they can relate to seeing people that want to be successful. Actually, this show is gonna appeal to everyone who's ever had a dream and they wanted to see that dream come true. So again, I say to you, Miss Oprah, and to your wonderful production staff, thank you for allowing me to present my idea to you. I'm LaQuanda McCullum again, and this is The Road to Success.